Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit your clips by using Inshot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Inshot app. Now tap on video. Here tap on new. Then select your clips. After selecting your clips, tap on the check mark. Then you guys can adjust your speed by tapping on the speed. Now let's use transition. I'm going to use different transition for different videos. I'm going to split it like this, and here going to use this transition, and in here I'm going to use this transition. Now at the end I'm going to use animation. For this, tap on animation and tap on out. Then you guys can use animation, and in here let's make a video with text. After choosing your background, tap on the text and then write the text that you want to use as your intro. I'm going to write text this way. You guys can also use this method. Now export the video. Then bring the video by tapping on the PIP. Now extend the video. Now tap on the blend, and here tap on lighten. Then you guys will see the result. In here I'm going to use animation for the outro. Now let's watch the video. Tap on export to export the video. So this is how you guys can edit your clips by using Inshot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.